This is the best and most secret method for creating 1 to 5 minutes videos on Grok. I mean longer videos on Grok.
And almost nobody is talking about it.
Using this exact method, I created longer videos with multiple scenes on Grok.
Completely free, including videos like this.
Why do I always have to run the fastest? My stripes need a break too.
Hey friends, how you both doing today? My legs are tired from all the running.
I'm doing well, Zebra. You should take it easy. The day is calm and peaceful. I'm great! And if your legs are tired, Zebra, don't worry. I declare today a no-running day.
Really? Then I'm happy. My stripes deserve a holiday too.
See? A little rest is good for everyone. Look how cool the breeze feels. With both of you here, this is the best lazy day ever.
Oh my goodness, I believe with this you are convinced. Let's start the tutorial now. So first off, you go over to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Grok. 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 Search for Grok and then go ahead to install it to your phone. So once you install Grok to your phone, click on it to open, then go ahead to sign up. It's very simple to navigate through it. Just sign up and then once you open and sign up, once you sign up and open, this is how the interface is going to look like. Okay, so you come over to where you have imaging, click on imaging. In this particular method, we are not going to be using any image we downloaded somewhere. We are going to be taking video from Grok to create a story around. So I'm just going to search for a random video that comes with 16.9 aspect ratio. And that's the aspect ratio for YouTube long form video. So let me just search for it. So once I find one, I'm going to pause. Alright, I have finally found one. This is the video that I'm going to use to create a story around. So this is the video. So look at what I'm going to do next. After getting the video from Grok, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT to get a prompt to prompt ChatGPT for story to create for a prompt to create a story around this video. Yes, this video contains a zebra, a lion, and a giraffe. So let me head over to ChatGPT. So what I have to do, type to customize video, then I'm going to go ahead to paste. Remember, the purpose of this tutorial is for us to be able to navigate through it, how to get long form video, yes, for our YouTube video or for our Fractals story. So this is the method that I use to get long form videos that is even longer than 2 minutes, 5 minutes, even 10 minutes, depending on what you want. You can create from this method. So I'm going to come over to this type to customize and then I'm going to type this. So I'm going to say zebra. Hey you friends, how are you both doing today? My legs are tired from all the runnings. So this is what I want the zebra to say. So I'm going to send. So you wait for it to generate from 1 to 100%, yes, and then you go ahead to listen to what they say.
Hey friends, how you both doing today? My legs are tired from all the running. Hey friends, how you both doing today? My legs are tired from all the running.
Oh my goodness, you can see that it captured everything perfectly well. You can see, hey friends, how are you both doing today? My legs are tired from all the running. You can see it's captured that. Okay, so that is amazing. So the purpose of this is for us to know how to navigate through in getting our long form videos, is to create a video that is beyond 60 seconds and then 2 minutes, more than that. So you come over to where you see this drop down arrow here to download the video. Okay, it has finished downloading. So the next step is for me to write another scene. So I'm going to delete this particular one, then I'm going to type something else. So this time I want Giraffe to say, I'm doing well, zebra, you should take it easy, the day is calm and peaceful. So this is what I want Giraffe to say. So I'm going to send from here. Okay, while we are waiting for it to finish generating, please go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.
I'm doing well, Zebra. You should take it easy. The day is calm and peaceful. I'm doing well, Zebra. You should take it easy. The day is calm and peaceful.
You can see that. You can see that. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this already. You can see that. So what you have to do is for you to come over to this drop down arrow and then go ahead to download the video. My goodness. So we are going to write another thing. Yes, we are going to write another thing. So the next thing that we are going to do, I'm going to ask Lion to talk this time. So I'm going to delete this one, then I'm going to type another thing. So this time I want Lion to say, I'm great. And if your legs are tired, Zebra, don't worry. I declare today a no running day. So this is what I want Lion to say. So I'm going to just sing. So please, if you've watched up to this point, it means you are already liking the video. Please go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Like and subscribe, and also drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know, what do you think about this particular method? Is it something that you are going to try? So let's wait to see if this particular one, the Lion will get it right.
I'm great. And if your legs are tired, Zebra, don't worry. I declare today a no running day. I'm great. And if your legs are tired,
you can see that. You can see this. This is amazing, right? So what you have to do is for you to click on this drop down arrow and then go ahead to download your video. Remember, we've gotten 3 clips already. So the next step is for me to go ahead to prompt again, customize the video again. Then this is what I want Zebra to say. Really? Then I'm happy. My stripes deserve a holiday too. So I'm going to send. I'm going to send. This is amazing. Please make sure you like this video. Please just like this video. Like this video and comment so that YouTube will push to wider audience. Yes, make sure you like and comment. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? On this channel, you have a lot to learn about AI. So please go ahead to like and subscribe. Thank you. So let's see if it's going to get this part.
Really? Then I'm happy. My stripes deserve a holiday too. Really? Then I'm happy. My stripes deserve a holiday too.
This is amazing, right? So we've gotten that part. So you go ahead to download. Click this drop down arrow to download. So the next thing, I'm going to still continue to prompt. I want this video to be up to 60 seconds, making it 1 minute. Yes, I want it to be up to 60 seconds. So I'm going to clear this off. I'm going to take this part away and then type again to customize. So this time it is Giraffe that will say, see, a little race is good for everyone. Look how cool the breeze feels. So this time it's Giraffe that will say this. So I'm going to click here to send.
See? A little rest is good for everyone. Look how cool the breeze feels. See? A little rest is good for everyone. Look how cool the breeze feels.
You can see that. And so far we've generated up to 6 clips from this particular video. This is to say that you can use one video to generate as many clips as possible to make your story out of it. Okay, to avoid taking your time, this is how you can use the method you can use to get as many clips as possible. You can get up to 60 seconds video, yes, and you can get up to 2 minutes, you can get up to 5 minutes, even 10 minutes, depending. It's just for you to have patience and then copy the prompt, paste, copy the prompt and paste, provided you have the story just like that. You have to have patience because Grok only generates 6 seconds video. Okay, so this is the method I use in creating long form video using Grok. Let me just show you this particular one. You can as well ask them to run. So let me just say, let me prompt Lion to run. Let's Lion run. Let me see something. Just for the purpose of tutorial, let's see if Lion will run. can see that lion is running. Whatever you want the scene to be like, just go ahead to prompt. Even though you want to change this scene to a serene environment, to a river bank, whatever you want your video to be like, just prompt and it's going to appear, like it's going to happen that way. Whatever you want it to be like, just prompt. If you want the lion to run, if you want whatever you want the character to perform, just go ahead to prompt and you are going to see this. It will just like you can use this to narrate your story. So this is the method I use in creating my long form video. Just go ahead to copy your prompt, paste like that, download the video. Now this is the final part. After copying the prompt, let's head over to the final part of organizing our clips and make it come out as one video. So here is the final step. So what you have to do is for you to come over to your CapCut or any editing software that you are using. So I'm going to click on new project, and then go ahead to come over to the video aspect of it, and then just go ahead to mark out the video based on their sequence. Remember, based on the face video, second and third, just like that. So I'm going to mark out all the videos so that the story can be complete. You can see I've successfully marked out 12 clips. So I'm just going to click on add. I've successfully imported the clips to my CapCut timeline. So this is what you are going to do. You can see here are the clips, and you can see so far this is 1 minute 12 seconds video. Yeah, you can do more than that. You can do more than that. You can even take up to 10 minutes. Yes, you can do more than that. So here is it. So I'm just going to go ahead to play the video. So just see the end result here.
Why do I always have to run the fastest? My stripes need a break too.
Hey friends, how you both doing today? My legs are tired from all the running.
I'm doing well, Zebra. You should take it easy. The day is calm and peaceful. I'm great! And if your legs are tired, Zebra, don't worry. I declare today a no running day.
Really? Then I'm happy. My stripes deserve a holiday too.
See? A little rest is good for everyone. Look how cool the breeze feels. Exactly. And while we rest, I'll think of a game we can play later.
Ooh, I hope it's not a chasing game. I need at least 1 hour of peace.
Don't worry, Zebra. We can play something calm. Maybe a guessing game. Yes! I'll make the rules simple, so no one gets tired. Perfect! With both of you here, this is the best lazy day ever.
So once you are done, just come over to this arrow facing upward to download your video. Download your video to become one. Yeah.